So here's what I have learned in the past 10 years that I especially think young adults and teens should listen to. Even if you're not a teen or a young adult watching this is life advice that you can honestly apply to at any age. But as a teenager, as a young adult, realize that you have so much of an advantage, because within these next 5 years of your life, if you apply yourself and you apply the mindset tips that I'm teaching in this video, you will indeed see success in different areas of your life. Hey Baddie and business family, my name is Isabella. I am the owner of 2 six-figure earning online businesses. I'm 26 years old, I'm a millionaire, and I have been doing online side hustles since I was 16 years old. If you are young and ambitious and you feel a calling on your life, you see your friends maybe, messing around, going out to parties and doing these things, and you're noticing that you're not really interested in those things, you're more interested in your future, this is so important. And if you are feeling that way, keep on letting that guide you. Don't try to just go off and do what everybody else is doing, because that is personally one of the best things that I ever did. Which leads me to my first point of today, which is pick your friends wisely.
Show me your friends and I'll show you your future. Show me your friends and I'll show you your future.
If you cannot find friends that are also not really thinking about their future or very careless about their future, and they go out and they're doing bad things, or maybe they're just not really taking life seriously, they're not talking about goals, they're more talking about drinking, then these are the kinds of people you gotta just stay away from. I personally rather sit at a table by myself than sit with people that are just talking about stupid topics that have nothing to do with any sort of substance that can help to make you a better person. Alone doesn't always mean lonely, and it's important to spend time alone as you're a teenager. Don't always think that you have to be around a bunch of other people or that you have to fit in with a certain crowd in order to feel fulfilled or to feel happy.
I want to fit in.
One of the best things that I ever did was separate myself from the rest of the people that were kind of just off doing crazy things, going to parties, doing all these things that I just didn't find interest in. But these people are spending so much money on alcohol and going out and doing all these things. For what? What are you celebrating? Being broke? It's important that you realize from a young age that things that society makes seem normal usually are not that normal. Personally, watching my parents work paycheck to paycheck my whole life growing up has made me kind of think the way that I think about money, the way that I think about setting up your life, setting up your future, because one thing about me is I never wanted to be worried about money.
Over half of Americans earning a 6-figure salary report that they're actually living paycheck to paycheck.
If you live in the United States, there is really no excuse as to why you cannot be successful. There's people that are coming from all different countries and would sell a kidney just to live in the United States, just to live here and have the same opportunities that you have. We live in a very consumer-based country, so I definitely think you're either the consumer or you're the one behind the scenes focused on how you can take advantage of this consumer market, bring something to the table that no one else has seen before, and actually make a difference in people's lives, while also building up your future, building up your bank account, and just being successful long term. College is not for everybody. Business is not for everybody. You have to really just kind of feel out and figure out what do you think is meant for you in your life. Nothing in life that's worth it is easy, but if you think about it, think of all the other things in life that's also hard. Being rich can be hard to achieve, but being broke is harder. Living paycheck to paycheck is hard. So in life, we have to choose what our hard is going to be. Your teen years, from the time that you are 16 to 21, can either make or break the person that you are going to be. Now, if I have people that are watching this that are older than that, it really truly doesn't matter what age you are. 1 year can change your life so much. 1 month can change your life so much. And like I always say, as long as God is waking you up every single day, He has a plan for your life. Don't ever feel like you're too old to start something. But at the same time, you have to be realistic and understand that life is short too. And if you make a bunch of stupid decisions in your early 20s and you start to have a bad mindset to where you think, you can go and blow all this money and do all these things, those habits will continue if you do not nip them in the butt in the beginning.
This is the cardinal sin. This is what poor people do. They get a check and they just start spending.
One of the best things that I feel like I did, I never lost the value of money. Even if I go right now to a coffee shop, if I see a coffee that's $20 there, I'm not gonna spend that. If I see a product and it's just not worth it to me, I will not buy it. You have to start looking at this with everything that you choose to buy in your life. That leads me to my next point for young adults and teenagers, which is fill your mind with knowledge. You don't have to buy somebody's course.
The knowledge you will learn at my seminar will make you financially independent for the rest of your life.
You don't have to go pay for a college course. Use YouTube as a resource. What I did when I was super young, I was sitting on YouTube and just straight learning. We have access to so much knowledge just from our phones. Generations before us never had that opportunity. That is why at this time in your life, if you're choosing that you don't want to take out loans to go to college, if you rather just work on online side hustles and making money online, your parents are probably not gonna understand that. Do not let school grades define you. I personally literally failed high school. I failed out of high school my freshman year. I was like horrible in math in school. The real world, you are not doing that math. If you really look at history, the school system has not changed in over 100 years. The schools cannot keep up with the proper education of today's times. My grandparents could go to college, get a degree, get a really good job, and be successful and buy a house and do all these things. We live in a time now where that's just not as possible. So these are the things you have to start thinking about. I feel like I am an example, a living example of somebody that went from broken, not knowing what to do with their life, not feeling like their life has no meaning, grappling with mental illness, and failing out of school, to now being a successful content creator, having successful online businesses, and being a millionaire in my 20s. If I can do it, I am no special than any of you watching this right now. But I made decisions and I believed that I could do it. And through that faith, I have been able to get to where I am today. If you guys have not already watched my video, 10 ways to make money online in 2023, I definitely recommend you go and watch that video because that's gonna show you just a bunch of different ways you can start making money with basically $0 because most of those suggestions you can start with $0. So definitely go and watch that video if you're interested in starting to jump right in and learning more ways to make money online. So to sum up this video, my advice to you is to stay away from toxic people. Stay away from them. Like, you don't have to, completely cut them off and like wish them the worst. No, pray for them, wish them the best, but understand that you are more important than them. Another thing that is so important that I learned at a very young age is that things are never failures in life, but they are always lessons. Life is gonna be full of challenges and failures, but you cannot view them as a failure, like you're never gonna try again because something didn't work out the first time. I wasn't just becoming a millionaire from the first side hustle that I started, but that side hustle that I first started taught me a lot, and then I moved to the next one, I learned more and more with every single thing I did to make money online. And it all kind of prepared me, but something in me was just always keeping me to push forward. And I wasn't just doing this, guys, like, full time. No, like I was always working a job. I was always working jobs and doing this on the side. Like there was no excuses. But as far as like my focus was always on my future. And I always just had that feeling like I don't want to work a 9 to 5 all my life. I made in 1 year what I would have had to work over 10 years working full time. I feel like another great thing that I did was I just kind of like stopped caring what everybody else thought. I mean, obviously, listen, if your parents are paying for college, you better go. Like, that's amazing. Like, I didn't have that opportunity. I had to save myself and go to college, so I kind of like took my own route. But there's like this huge misconception that in order to make money or like to actually be successful in life, it has to come from generational wealth, or you have to have someone in your family that put you on. So don't ever think that you have to have this handout or get this handout from somebody. But of course, you guys can think of me as your big sister, your free mentor. That's the purpose of my YouTube channel. That's why I don't just talk about how I've gotten to where I am today. I don't just give you guys mindset advice, but I actually give you guys 100% free courses showing you guys technically, like step by step, how I actually did the things that I've done as well. People will try to get you into doing unethical work. At some point or another, you'll probably be like tempted to even think about doing certain kinds of things. God has so many plans for your life, but the devil will try to tempt you, try to get you to do things that will knock you off your path to actually succeed. You do not have to do those things. You have to have purpose behind how you're making money. There are so many other things that you can do to make money online. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you learned something new from this video today. Don't forget, I have 100% free courses and education on my YouTube channel, so definitely take advantage. If you haven't already, make sure you guys smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe down below so I can continue to create videos just like this. If you have any questions about me or my life or any of the advice that I talked about in this video today, you can comment down below, and I do try to respond to all of my YouTube comments. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram at baddieandbiz for more business inspiration and updates. Wishing you all the best with whatever you choose to do in life, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.